we have nearly 67 patients of COVID positive, and Dr. Himjodi Das is ICU in charge, and he is looking after all the critical cases. And then I hand over to Dr. Debu to speak about the patient's details.
Now, as of now, we have 15 plus critical case in Nazareth. We already have ventilation support is fully occupied, so we will not be able to help critical case, So better to be safe at home and to take proper COVID precautions. Around 60 to 40 COVID pneumonia cases. One important message is that most of these cases were not vaccinated. So those cases which had one vaccination also, and few of our doctors were properly vaccinated, they are not having any pneumonia symptoms. So I would request our general public and all the senior elderly people to be vaccinated as soon as possible, and the young guys, whenever they get the chance, whoever get the chance to be vaccinated, that is first. And this time compared to last year, last year we had maximum of 40 cases at a time. This time we are going up to 70 plus cases. So the issue is quite, concerning, and we should follow the COVID protocol, and we should follow the government guidelines in whatever we do and what in our daily life. And we have some issues of lockdown and all, which will be a phased manner. It should go off as the time comes down. And if the case keeps on increasing, we'll have issues in admission also.